All right, welcome back to Unboxing Show, guys. I always appreciate you stopping in. Thank you so much. We're here because, of course, we got an unboxing. Got something new from WatchGang.com we're going to check out. I do want to say at the top of the video to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. We're moving along very well here. I think we're closing in like 700 subscribers. So, like I said, once we get to 1,000, keep in mind, we do have a giveaway lined up. We just did a giveaway at 500. So if you can hear my voice, be the cool guy, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to mail you something, okay? I'm, of course, here because we got an unboxing. Something new here from WatchGang.com. Let me get my desk ready here. And this particular piece is from their watch wheel. It's about $50 to get into it. And I will say, for the price, it's not bad at all. I want to take a look at it here. It is from their first tier of their watch wheel, which is essentially just a wheel where you can add watches to a wheel. Either you'll win the one that you pay for, or perhaps you'll win one of higher value. This particular one, again, is $50 to get into. Let's take a look, okay? All right, let's move this on in here. And as you can see right off the bat here, we've got Soto Marino. Now, it looks like it's all one word, so Soto Marino, I guess is how you say that. Just, there's no space. I was putting a space before. I will say real quick, in terms of a wristwatch check, I am wearing my custom Vostok Amphibia. This was customized by Brian Van Way. I will leave a link to his YouTube channel, because he actually has a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description box below. You can hit that up, give him a follow if you want to see some cool custom Vostok Amphibia watches. This guy does phenomenal work. Check him out. In terms of today's unboxing, like I said, Soto Marino, all one word. And the thing that kind of strikes me first is the logo here, which kind of looks a little bit like Maserati, actually. So it looks a little Maserati-like. I don't know how. Again, it's a $50 watch. I don't know how this how this fares in terms of being like a Maserati, but it does kind of remind me of the Italian, I guess now Fiat Chrysler-owned automaker. Okay. We'll move the sheath out of the way, and clearly this is Italian as well, as it does have the the typical Italian flag colors on here. We've got the red, the white, and the green, and paper box. That's standard for this price point, about $50 here. So let's pop the top. There we go. You've got the warranty card, international warranty on that. Let's be honest, you're probably not going to send it in for the warranty. At this price point, you'd probably just throw it away, okay? You've got the felt pillow, and let's see here, some other goodies. What else is in here? Okay, so this is an instruction manual. Those goes, there's so many pages to an instruction manual for a watch, and there's especially a quartz watch like this is fairly simple. So, but there's a very long instruction manual to operate a quartz watch, and then also, of course, the silica gel. Do not ingest that. Throw that. Toss it to the side. Okay. Let me wipe this off here. Let me get this nice and clean, as I think I just got it kind of fogged up here. I'm gonna pop my watch off, the one that I'm currently wearing, my custom Vostok, so that I get ready to try this one on. Let's put that to the side here. And let's see here. So we've got the, as this is pronounced, Fuso Orario. And this is by Soto Marino. So I don't know. Let's go in here for a close shot here. There we go. All right, so this is it here. As you can see, it's this black dial watch. It's not too bad, honestly. You've got a mixture of a, it's kind of still got the plastic on here. Mixture of a polish down the center. You've got the brush sides. That's all standard here. In terms of the class, you've got this push button on the side here with the normal kind of cheapy pressed situation, but you do have you do get the cool Maserati logo. We'll close that. And in terms of the dial, I actually like it. So it's just kind of a flat black dial here, very understated. You've got the stainless all the way around in terms of the bezel. It does not, oh, it does rotate. Okay. So you've got a rotating bezel here. It's extremely hard to turn, if you can imagine. It's all stainless. There's no grip. It's all round, and there's not really That's extremely hard to turn. But as you can see, you've got the, let's see, so black dial. You do have the, I do like the overall layout. It seems very clean, very simple. Let's see here. You've got a date complication at the 3 o'clock. Looks like a white date window there. But overall, like I said, it's not a lot to it, but it's a very simple piece. So it's just very regular. Let's check and see if we've got a, let's see here. So there is no screw down crown. So it's definitely like a dive style watch. And we'll check out the water resistance here. I've got the website pulled up here. So it's definitely more of a dive style watch than it is I guess like a true dive watch. As like I said, you can pull it out here. You can set the time. And it's just a simple push-in dial. So it's not, there's no screw-down crown, so it's not going to have anything crazy in terms of water resistance. Let's check out the back here. So there it is there. You've got that case back with the, no exhibition case back. It's just a quartz movement, but you do have the Maserati logo etched in the back there. So now this is an approachable size. We're going to play our usual game on the channel, guess the case size. I have roughly an 8 1/4 inch wrist. So we'll take a look at it on my wrist, which is my rib, which is pretty big. And let me know what you believe the case size to be, and then we'll pay that off here in a second, okay? Let's go back in here. So this is it here, guys. This is it here on the wrist. Let's punch back out. This is it here on the wrist. And I think this is, honestly, I think this is a very nice understated kind of throw and go situation here. I do think it's stylish. I do like the overall look of it. And it's not, it's not too much that I would have to think about. It's one of those kind of, it's stylish enough pieces that I wouldn't care about. The throw and go is what this is. So, and if you've watched your channel, the throw and go piece is great for the theme parks. When you want that nice look with what you're wearing, but you don't want to pull out your big guns. You don't want to mess something up. Maybe you don't want to bring out your custom Vostok. Maybe you don't want to pull out, your Seikos or something nicer. So you just throw on this nice throw and go piece. It looks the part, but it isn't the part. So, like I said, not bad. Let's check out the specs here. So, let me know what you thought the case size was in the comment section below, as you can take a look at it here on my roughly 8 1/4 inch wrist. We've got a Japanese quartz 3-hand with date movement. So again, guys, this is not a spec beast. There are no crazy specs going on this particular watch. It does say that there is a stainless steel case. Okay. You do have a case diameter of 42 millimeters. So that's what we've got here on this particular one, 42 millimeters, black dial, and it does say that there is a water resistance rating of 10 ATM. So, listen, honestly, I like the large numbers. I like the large, this looks very nice to me. It's just very simple. It's an extremely simple, cheap watch. And again, while some may shun cheaper watches, like I said, I think this is perfect for theme parks. Usually I'm on the rides and someone next to me is, people are kind of going crazy and I don't usually want to mess it up. This is definitely a theme park watch. This is a, I feel like this is a, just essentially a throwaway piece, right? Just something that looks the part, but you're not going to care too much. I mean, you'll take care of it, but if something happens, you're not going to fret. It's a $50 watch. So, like I said, let me know what you think. Would you wear this? It's a $50 piece, but I do think it's very stylish. Let's punch back in for one more close-up here. Like I said, it looks very sleek, actually. I really do like the stainless bezel. So, definitely not a bad piece in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Drop your honest, unvarnished opinions in the comment section below. Let me zoom back out. It's a little weird. My hand is huge in the camera here. But drop your honest opinion in the comment section below. Let me know. What did you think the case size was? Is this a watch that you would wear? Keep in mind, soon here, I do have a Watch Gang Platinum tier and a Black tier subscription watch coming this month. So we will check those out on the channel. We will see what they sent out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Stick around. Join the Unbox and Chill family. Thank you so much. This is Unbox and Chill, signing out.